guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to our Irish family. Today I want to share with you cleaning my washing machine. Couldn't remember what I was doing there. Cleaning my washing machine. So this is the second time I've done a video like this. The first time I used baking soda and vinegar and it was pretty moldy and there was a major blockage in our filter, but since then we have a new washing machine. We got it in, I want to say January, and every now and again I throw some kind of like vinegar in it and that sort of stuff, but this is the first proper clean that I've done, and that is 9 months later. So what I'm going to be using today is soda crystals and white vinegar. And how I came up with this was I had soda crystals for a while and I used them for our drain, but I went onto the Dry Pack website and I just followed what they recommend to do there with soda crystals for your washing machine. So we have a washer dryer. So without further ado, let's jump in and see how we go. So this is my washing machine. It's a washer dryer. So the first thing you are going to do is take out your detergent drawer. So most of them have a button that you can press, but my one, you just kind of had to tilt it up a little bit and eventually it came out. And then I just show you what the inside of it looks like. Then we move on to the drum. So with the drum you want to clean around the seals and inside the seal as well. Sometimes there just be kind of build up in there, and that's really everything you want to do with that part. And then move down to the filter, but unfortunately today I couldn't open that filter. Okay, so the filter is down here, but like I'm not going to be able to open that, so I'm going to have to wait until Robert comes home. But I'm going to clean inside and the drawer as well. So one of the first things I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be using these products. So these are soda crystals. You can see they're called soda crystals. They're by Dry Pack. So I'm going to be using half a bag of this, which is what is left, so 500 grams of this. And then I'm going to be using my little scrubber brush, which I bought this in Lidl. And then also some white vinegar to clean the drawer, inside the drawer and around the seals. Just give them a little scrub. And that is all it takes. So the first thing you're going to do is get your spray, your vinegar. Mine is just in a spray bottle, but if you don't have it with a spray bottle, you can kind of pour it in and then just get to cleaning inside the drawer here. Then we're going to move down, we're going to spray the seals with vinegar, and again just get to spray. If you don't have one of these Sonic scrubbers, that's completely fine. You just use your microfiber cloth or whatever cleaning utensil that you want to use, but just get inside the seals as well. Then with a microfiber cloth, you are going to spray the inside of the door, and then you're going to wipe it with your microfiber cloth just to make sure that all the dirt and grime, especially that does be kind of at the bottom of that, is off, and then around the outside as well. Moving on, you are going to bring your drawer into the sink and you're going to spray some vinegar on it, and again just clean out the soap detergent drawer with, I have my Sonic scrubber, but again you can use whatever scrubber or cleaning utensil that you like. So once that is all complete, you put your drawer back in and you place all of the soda crystals into the drum. You put some white vinegar into where the fabric softener goes, and you turn it up onto the highest wash that you have, the highest setting that is on your wash machine. There you have it. That is what it looks like once it's clean. It came out, the drum came out really shiny, and it smells a little bit like vinegar, but that smell will go away pretty soon, and I am pretty happy with that. guys, the washing machine wasn't bad to begin with. It was just the soap drawer that needed a little bit of a scrub, and I used my kind of like sonic scrubber for that with vinegar, and it was perfect. So all I used today was that sonic scrubber, a microfiber cloth, soda crystals from Dry Pack, and the white vinegar. And this is just a towel because I have my hair, I was just drying my hair. So yeah, it turned out great, and it is something that I will do once, twice a month, or once every 1 to 2 months is what I was trying to say, and just to keep that uptake and make sure that it doesn't smell and all that sort of stuff. I couldn't get the filter open this time, but I will get Robert to do that when he comes home. But we did check the filter, I think about 3-4 months ago, and there was nothing in it, so I'm expecting the same this time because we got it from brand new, and we don't really have anything that should block it up. But anyways, that is today's video. If you enjoyed it, I would love if you give it a thumbs up. If you want to see that baking soda and vinegar where I cleaned it out with my old wash machine that had gunk and grime and mold and mildew and all that sort of stuff in it, I will leave that link down below. But without that, I will see you the next time. Bye.